home. Here we come. Finally, give this one a garage that it deserves. Pretty happy actually. Got it all on. It was super simple. We just reversed the trailer in and plonked it down, flipped it around, and happy days. There he is.
Good morning. What you're looking at is my messy but shed. I'm finally in a shed and I can get on with work. It's not organised yet, we're not tidy or anything, but we're getting back to work because it's boring just doing nothing. And well, actually I'm totally sick of unpacking boxes and stuff, and I got enough out now to get on with things. So we're going to weld the panel in and I'm going to show you in a second. I'll show you around the shed, so stand by. I'm just going to turn you around. Okay, you turned around, that's the car, this is the shed. It's still a mess, so this is one bench here and cupboard space, and as you get older you accumulate too much stuff to be nice about it. There's an old donk gearbox. It's out of a XR6 turbo, I believe, so that should be nice in one of these, 5-speed. I don't think it's a 6. This is my grinding, drilling, blah blah bench with a shadow board at the back. Wow, pin board. Alright, something I'm just going back to because I forgot to tell you. The last week worked on the wheel tub and that's in. I haven't ground back the wheels yet, but I will, or Josh will. And we're putting this panel in here. And so that's what we're doing now. So we just drill our holes. I'll weld that from the inside, from here through there, and then we're going to do our usual along there. This is where we're going to be careful not to buckle the panel, although there's no shortage of dents. You can't even see in it, it's so dark. But anyway, you get the idea. That's going in, well, now. So there's a time-lapsing camera. You can watch the time-lapse. There's Josh. Yes. Got a head holding up the robber's dog, isn't he? Yeah. So, when he was a kid, I you know, never mind. But I beat Mum when he came out. Not anyway. It's a long story. Cheerio. Catch you when this is done. How's that because there's no rust in the side? I'm not kidding you. I reckon it's because you put all this new metal in here.
Yeah.
It's not right. Okay, just to wind up this video, here's the back panel all welded in and mid section panel, and I put a bit of edge primer on it, so that'll be that. And then I'm very pleased with it, and as you'll see, this is going to sneak preview for the next video, but I started over here, and that's it really. And because we're sort of in isolation and locked up, and I mean, I'm always in isolation, locked up, but more so. And but Josh is in isolation, locked up with me, so speeding it up. So we're going to get on with it, and so you'll have more videos coming out. And I'm going to try and make them a little bit shorter, so a bit easier to watch. And that's it. Cheerio. Das Vidania. Arrivederci. Ciao. And cop you later.